Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Abby. Glad to be back with you guys. It's been a while since I've been able to pick up the camera. Hold on. Gotta wait. Incoming noise. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Every single time I pick up this camera is always background noise. I'll be right back. As I was saying, today is the third day, guys. Oh, I give up. Are you done now? If you kick the pool, you'll burst the pool. So don't kick the pool. Hi guys, welcome back to Caribbean Charm. So glad to have you guys with me today. I am by all means glad to be back with you guys. Today I am going to be digging up the sweet potatoes. I don't know if you guys remember when I had planted the onions. We did an experiment of planting sweet potatoes at the bottom, and so I am going to be... Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So glad to have you guys back with me. I'm Abby. It's been a while since I've been able to pick up the camera. It's okay, Jumbo. It's okay. It's been a minute, guys. A lot's been happening, and I haven't had the time to do anything. My yard is a mess. My garden is in a mess. My extension garden, I haven't been there. I don't know what mess, but I'm sure it's some kind of mess that is in. But today we're going to focus on... Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So glad to have you guys back with me today. My name is Abby, and what we're going to be doing today, guys, we're going to be digging deep. We're going to be digging real deep. Deep into my container where I planted my sweet potatoes and onions. We have long since harvested the onions, and now we're going to try harvesting the sweet potatoes. So guys, I am here at my box, and what we're going to be doing today, guys, is, if you remember, I had harvested the onions from the top. This was one that I left hoping that it would reshoot and go to seed, and I'll be able to get back some white onion seeds in the future. I'm hoping that that goes well, but today I am going to have to disturb the soil, and hopefully that continues growing. So last time I showed you guys that I lifted up this piece of flex board here, and I planted sweet potatoes at the bottom of this grow box. So what we're going to do today, it has been 5 months since I harvested since I planted these sweet potato slips, and it's been 3 days of dry weather. So I am going to get into this box and see what taters I have inside here, and I am taking you guys along with me today for the ride. Come on. I'll be lifting this piece of board up, and we are going to be harvesting whatever we can get from inside of here. So you can see there's a massive amount of roots going on here. That's a rock. So I'm gonna get my gloves, and I'll be right back with you guys. Hold on. So I got my gloves on, so I'm gonna take out the rest of this vine here. So I'm gonna throw this soil back. I have a piece of galvanized under here that's going to be catching the excess, which will make it easier for me to clean up. I don't want to I'm using my hands because I don't want to damage the sweet potatoes. This soil is a mixture of compost and sharp sand. Jumbo, don't scrape it off the galvanite. There's a reason why I'm doing it like this, dog. What do you think, Gio? Oh, so we found our first earthworm. So last time I planted these slits were in May, and my calculation tells me I am around the 6th month of since planting. So far I haven't seen anything. Here's my first sweet potato. Woohoo!
Oh! I found another one.
Sorry, baby girl. Be careful. I'm sorry.
Margaret.
Oh gosh, here's the next one.
Wow!
So that's it, guys. That's my experiment. It didn't go well at all. I had the onions, which I harvested on the top, but the sweet potatoes that I planted down below, they did not form in any way. Not too sure what went wrong. I do know that the box does need some topping up at this point because the earthworms that were in the box didn't have much spunk to them. So I know with the plenty rains, a lot of the nutrition would have washed away, and so I'm going to have to replenish that in the future. I'm going to have to hold up on that because we are forecasted to have lots and lots of rain here in Trinidad and Tobago in the future, and I am not excited about it. Guys, I hope you continue along with me on my journey as I continue gardening and I continue to share with you what I have learned growing here in the Caribbean. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and leave your comments down in this comment section down below. The different things that you are growing in your garden right now, and if you're in the Caribbean, how you've been dealing with the extreme wet weather, if you have been having it, because where I am here in Trinidad, it has been extreme. I cannot express that enough. So what I've learned this year is don't even bother trying to grow much in the wet season unless you're going to do it in sheltered areas like grow boxes and areas where the rain can't splash up everything. So anyway, guys, enough of my rambling. See you guys next time. Take care. Bye.
Bye.